What's up, you guys? It's me, the hobbyist, and you know what this is. I done told you already. It's me exploring my digital art. Now, you see right here, that's me being beautiful and all that shit. And I am just tracing this picture, adding a little color up in there. And through this process, I learned a lot. This was like only my second project. So I learned a lot about the brushes and stuff in Procreate. I learned how I can get detail in there. I had a lot of fun with this, creating this, and playing around, just learning and growing. And I just want you guys to know, if you want to create something, just do it. There's no rhyme, no reason. Just go ahead and get started today. All right? Cool. Throughout creating this piece, I recognized areas where I felt like I was lacking some detail. I felt like the skin was too flat, so I went to YouTube and did some research on how to add highlights and shadow to make my skin not appear so flat. And I came up with some pretty cool stuff. So the before that you're about to see right now is obviously before I realized how to make the skin pop a little bit. I found out how to do undertones, and here is my after right now, and boom, looking pretty cool. Definitely a work in progress. I can definitely get better, but I am very satisfied with how this turned out, and I'm so proud of myself. And I also made 2 additional pictures, and these things happened on accident. I just dragged the color to the screen and boom, this happened. Wow, amazing. So get out there, create. If you want to try something new, just try that shit. Who gonna stop you, boo? Ain't nobody gonna stop you, boo. Get to it. Good night and goodbye.